Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In SQL Server, you can access the second result set of a stored procedure using Python and the pyodbc library. A stored procedure can return multiple result sets, and you can use pyodbc to fetch each result set one by one. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with a code example on how to access the second result set of a stored procedure. Step 1. Install required libraries. Before you begin, make sure you have the pyodbc library installed. If you haven't already installed it, you can use pip to install it. Step 2. Connect to the SQL Server database. You'll need to establish a connection to your SQL Server database. Replace the placeholders in the code below with your actual database information. Step 3. Create and execute the stored procedure. Assuming you have a stored procedure called YourStoredProcedure, you can execute it and fetch the result sets. Replace it with your actual stored procedure name and parameters if needed. Step 4. Fetch the second result set. To fetch the second result set, you can use the nextSet method of the cursor, which advances to the next result set. You can fetch the data from the second result set as follows. Step 5. Process and use the second result set. Now that you have fetched the second result set, you can process and use the data as needed in your Python code. Step 6. Close the connection. Don't forget to close the database connection when you're done with it. That's it. You've successfully accessed the second result set of a stored procedure using Python and pyodbc. You can adapt this code to your specific stored procedure and database setup. Make sure to handle exceptions and errors appropriately in a production environment to ensure robustness and data integrity. ChatGPT